All right, so now we're moving on to volume and surface area of a cone. All right, first, what you do is always step one is always for you to redraw the base, which is the bottom. The bottom right now, the base is right here. It is circular. We have a circle. All right, I'm going to redraw that circle right here, and I'm going to give that radius. It says 5. I put the 5 right there. All right, volume. The formula for the volume is big B. It's the same volume for the. It's the same formula for the pyramid. Big B times big H divided by 3. All right, let's get to work. Let's find big B. Big B is area. This time the base is a circle, so area of a circle. Right. And area of a circle is defined as pi times radius square. So pi times 5 square equals, what is that equal to? Equals to 78.5. All right, now let's do big H. Big H, no calculation is needed because it's the height of the cone. How tall is the cone? Boom, 12. Now let's do the formula. The formula says big B times the height divided by 3. Well, I know what big B is. It's my green color. It's 78.5 times my slanted height is my, I'm sorry, not slanted, the height, which is the 12 of the prism. All of that divided by 3. Therefore, V equals, what do we get? 312. 314. I'm sorry. Why do I get my numbers messed up? Boom. Done right there. All right. Now let's move to the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Let's talk about the formula. The formula is as follows. Pi times. So first, this is the total, and this is the lateral. All right, I'm going to start with the total first. Total surface area. Pi times radius squared plus pi times r times slanted height. All right, first thing first, let's find the radius, r. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still using this circle right here. The radius is single. Boom, done deal. Move on to next. If it was a diameter, you divide the diameter by 2. But right now I have the radius is 5. Slanted height. Slanted height has to do with the triangle. Do y'all see a triangle? I sure do see a triangle right here. Boom. Let's redraw this triangle. Boom. So here's a 12 right there. Here's a 5 right here. All right. This question mark, that will be your slanted height. You get that by doing a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared, which is 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. When you add that, you get 169. The square root of that equals 13. 13 is your slanted height. All right. Now, I do have everything. So let's plug it in. Let's do the formula. The formula says as follow. SA equals, that's an SA equals pi. All right. Let's go ahead and put our radius. Our radius is single square plus pi times, again, radius, and then a slanted height. All of that equals, you just plug them all in the calculator, right? You just work it out. But you know what? Let me make sure. When I did this, I'm using the same calculator as you students. I'm using my phone like all of you. I had to do it apart. This right here gave me 78.5, and all of this gave me 204. And then when I added it, my answer was, I don't know if y'all can see the bottom of the screen. So I'm just going to write the answer on top here. I had 282.6 as the answer. Okay. All right, so that was the total surface area. Now we're stepping up to lateral surface area. Let's write the formula for that. That is pi times radius times slanted height. All right, so let's do this thing. Radius. Well, ladies and gentlemen, radius is right here. Cinco. Boom. Slanted height. Slanted height, ladies and gentlemen, slanted height is right here. We already got it. Boom. Do the formula. Here it is. The formula of LA, it's pi times radius times slanted height. Height. So now let's plug in the numbers. So it is, let me just continue right here. It's pi, parentheses, and parentheses. Let's go ahead and put this number real fast. Radius, 5. Slanted height, 13. All right, that's it. That's the answer. When you plug this whole thing in your calculator, you plug this in your calculator, the answer comes out to be, what's the answer? 204. That's it.